Hello everybody, Rand's back. We're gonna draw a witch today, and because it's so close and around Halloween time. So let's start right about here. We're gonna start with the witch's hat. Right there, just like that. And then we're gonna come down and it's a crookedy old hat like this, just like that. And then we'll start it back around here and we'll connect it all on up like that. Yee, this is a creepy stuff. And there's the bridge of the hat, or the brim, whatever we like to call it, right around here, just like this. Bring it on up, just like that. That's fun. There we go. Oh, I like that. It's starting off real nice with the hat like that. All right, now the witch's face is always fun. Come down, bring it on down like that, and we're gonna frame the face with her hair. So let's bring it up. Old witch's rickety old hair here like this. There we go. Give it a couple of swirly swoos here. Witch's hair's all over the place usually. Bring that other side down like that. And then we'll stop there. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make a big old nose. Witches have big old creepy noses, you know, just like that. Big hook on it. That's fun. And then you gotta make it look as if she's almost got no teeth, or some funny looking teeth. There we go. Big old tooth right about there. Bring it on up. She can be smiling. Little cheek there, that's fun. Let's bring the face down just to meet it there. And then what we're gonna do is bring an eye in here. There's an eye, that's fun. And then we can bring another eye right around here, right up to the hat. That's nice. I'll continue the cheek right about there. Let's draw in the pupil. We'll color it in, I guess. A little black pupil like that. We'll do the same over here. There we go. Even give her some eyelashes. There we go. That's fun. All right. And now let's bring her cheek down here like this. There we go. Give her a big old chin like that. And then we'll bring it back on up to the hair. All right, there we go. Looking good. Okay, maybe even do a little squirrely hair right around there. That's fun. All righty. Give us some warts. Maybe one here too. That's nice. All right. And then we're gonna draw a body. So here we go. Here's the top of her body like that. And then we're gonna bring it on down here like this. This is looking nice. Here's a sleeve right there. Right on. There we go. And we'll bring a waistline around here like that. And there we go. And now an old richety green hand will do right around here. Big old long fingers. That's fun. Let's do another one right about there. There we go. Give her a thumb like that. Like this, and maybe just another hand. Finger up there like that. I like it. Okay, and let's continue another arm around here, just like that. And we'll bring that down like that. And then this hand can come around here, just like this. We'll just have her given a bit of a fingery-do thing here. Thumb right about here. Bring it in on the sleeve there, and we'll bring her other finger here. That's a pinky finger there. Nice, I like it. All right, now let's bring the rest of her dress, or a skirt, I should say, around here. Just like that. This is looking nice. Bring the skirt up around here like this. We'll give it a little bit of a texture at the bottom here. That's nice. And all we got left to do are our crickety old boots and leg bits here like that. Alrighty. Let's give her some fun shoes, why don't we? There we go. Just like this. Pointy high heels, I like it. There we go. Do the same on this side. And there we go. That's some nice witch boots there. give it a buckle perhaps right around there. Oh, I like it. All right, everybody. There we go. We've got a wicked witch. Just in time for Halloween. All right, let's get to the color. The witch has green skin, yellow eyes, dark blue hat and skirt, purple top, black boots, brown hair. Thanks, everyone.